Media source is the JavaScript object that allows the dynamic construction of media streams for the audio and video HTML media elements. The object defines other objects, methods, and properties that serve as the source of media data for these HTML media tags. The media source object must define at least one source buffer object which is managed with track buffers for the video coded data, the audio coded data, and the text coded data. The media source object can define multiple source buffers. Here is the diagram that depicts how to work with the media source API in JavaScript. Here at the top of the diagram, we can see that the first thing to do is to create an instance of the media source class. After we have created an instance of the media source class, we need to add a source buffer to the instance. It is a requirement that at least there should be one source buffer instance added to the instance of the media source class. The source buffer objects added to the media source instance are managed with track buffers inside them. Depending on the number of tracks on the media segments that we will be appending to this source buffer, the source buffer object to add to the media source instance may have or may be required to create 3 or multiple track buffers inside them. For example, if we are streaming a file with 3 tracks inside it, one for the video coded data, one for the audio coded data, and one for the subtitled encoded data, the source buffer which we will be appending these media streams to should create 3 track buffers inside it. One track buffer for the video coded data, one track buffer for the audio coded data, and one track buffer for the text coded data. The HTML media element load the data to decode from these track buffers. The first thing to do in your JavaScript code when you want to use the media source API is to check if the media source object is available in the window object. Then the next thing that you do is to create an object that is defined by the media source class of the API. The media source class defines a static method called isTypeSupported, which as its argument takes a string that specify the codecs which were used to encode the video file which we want to stream. If the media source supports the specified codecs, we add an event listener to the media source object, which will listen for the source open event which will be raised by the media source object when it is ready for the buffer object to be added to it. The source buffer object is managed with tracks for the video coded data, audio coded data, and text coded data. The media source object defines an add source buffer method which is used to specify the codecs of the dynamically created media streams that will be appended to its source buffer. The add source buffer method accepts as its argument a DOM string that specifies the codecs of these media streams. The method returns a reference to the source buffer to be added to the media source. The last step remaining to complete the configuration of the media source to stream the media segment is to associate the created media source object with the HTML media element.